Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. It is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button. On controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After this, check if you can. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Now you will see a console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data, and after this check if the issue is resolved. Next method is switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first open settings, then network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to change language on console. For that, first open PS5 settings, then go to the system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then choose current language, then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then user and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. Now click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. After this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other options. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select save data. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, first launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. For that, highlight Sonic Racing CrossWorlds on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Sonic Racing CrossWorlds again to check for the error. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have provided in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across. Hopefully the support team will help to resolve the issue and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.